Hi, in this video, I will show you how to add bullet points in Google Sheets. So, unlike Word or Google Docs, Google Sheets doesn't have a built-in bullet point button, but there are a couple of easy ways to get them in. The quickest way is using a keyboard shortcut. So, first double-click the cell where you want your bullet point, then hold Alt on your keyboard and press 7 on your numeric keyboard. And a bullet point appears right there. Type your text next to it and you're done. Now, if you need bullet points in multiple cells, the easiest thing to do is set up the first cell with bullet point and text first, then copy that cell and paste it into another cell. Like, for example, I can copy this bullet point by selecting it, right-clicking, clicking on copy. Now, I can easily select all the cells and press Ctrl+V to paste bullet point in all these cells. So that's how you add bullet points in Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.